So if you know say you dey use your Telegram account for fraudulent activities, I go advise you make you no near this wallet at all. So Telegram don't get their own crypto wallet where we say if you actually trade P2P for there. Now wow. Upon how CBN take dey clamp down on crypto exchanges to stop P2P trade, more still dey come out. But shey e dey actually safe to use Telegram P2P? What if they block your main Telegram account? Wetin you go do by then? Let's find out. So on your Telegram app, if you go to the settings area, then you click on wallet. It's going to load your crypto wallet. As you can see, this is our wallet right here. You can send, add crypto, exchange, and trade the P2P market. So I think one good thing about this Telegram wallet is that you need to verify your identity before you can conduct P2P trade. I'm going to skip this video to where I've verified my ID. So as you can see, I'm done with the verification. So let's go to the P2P market. Click on the P2P. Then let's buy crypto. Let's buy like 10,000. And click on buy. 10,000. So we are getting 6 USDT. So click on buy. Then after that, click on create order. Click on confirm order. So the seller has confirmed the order. So all you have to do now is to copy the account number and you make your payment. So once you're done with the payment, just click on I made a payment. Then you upload the receipt of the payment. After that, click on confirm and send. Then right now we wait for the seller to confirm and release crypto. So as you can see, the seller has confirmed the payment and we have received 6.6 USDT. It is very fast, but this whole process of uploading receipt, all those stuff, it don't really make sense to me. Now, if you go back to our wallet, you can see our money right here. You can see the dollars right here, and we can send the crypto. You can send to external wallet address. And if you want sell to, click on P2P market, click on sell. So it's the same process. It is very fast. So I want to send this $6 now to person. So just drop your USDT address in the comment section. So if you know say you dey use your Telegram account for fraudulent activities, I go advise you make you no near this wallet at all, because if they key your main account, your wallets don't go. You say stop to the do fraud. You know pass like that. Peace.